Okay, I built an entire app in exactly 5 minutes using just 2 prompts, specifically to prove my viewers wrong. Now, why am I doing this? See, a few days ago, I posted a video showing how to build a TikTok clone in just 60 seconds. But some people think AI isn't real, they think it's fake. Honestly, I'd accept that until someone said it's not exciting. Bro.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That is why I have to show you how huge this actually is.
By the way, here is the first prompt, and if you are a non-tech person like me, watch this pen carefully, because this one pen will determine if the AI is real or just a bubble. This pen is called a fountain pen because it has a unique way to carry ink and flow it like a fountain when someone is writing with it. But this pen wasn't like this at all. See, just over 2,000 or 3,000 years ago, humans used pens, but back then it wasn't so perfect like this one you have in your hand. We're talking sticks, bird feathers. It wasn't so easy to write with. People had to spend years mastering handwriting and drawing, and because it was so much hard work, only a handful of people mastered it. They were recruited as respected experts with huge wages and salaries. Back then, writing was just too hard for an ordinary human to pursue. But then suddenly, after 2,000 years, one guy wanted to make it easy and for everyone. He came up with a revolution, typical entrepreneurial mindset. He introduced the fountain pen, and after that event, everything changed forever. The pen was no longer hard to master. It wasn't a luxury anymore. The tech kept evolving and evolving until it hit a spark. Now everyone can write their own thing, and we don't even need a pen to do it. No one is hiring people just for their handwriting like they used to. And now, if you look at the pattern, AI is exactly like that. It used to be that only tech people could talk to the computer and build these big fortunes. AI has been growing slowly for over 50 years now, just like the pen, but then it sparked in 2019. Now everyone can talk to AI and build anything. And if you can't see that, you're going to be replaced, just like how cars replace the horse. Just to give you an example, I never wrote a single line of code, but I built this, this, and this. You can see a live example. I made a support page for my channel in this video. You can check out the link in the description. So the pen didn't replace the writers. First, they were replaced by the writers who used a fountain pen, and now by those who can type on a device. So you should not stop doing anything, but you have to evolve with time. You should add AI somewhere in your workflow. And you've already seen many videos saying AI is a bubble because rich people are tampering the system and data, but nobody is telling this happened with every big thing in every century. Like how many times you've seen people using science and called it their superhuman power. Now let's get back to the challenge. Now the time is ticking. So first, let me paste that idea prompt into Google AI Studio, and that will be the second and final prompt. And just like that, the AI starts building the app for me. But wait, let me tell you the actual problem this app is solving, because if it doesn't solve a real problem, it's just scrap. We're solving a massive pain point for freelancers or anyone providing a service. Think about it like this. Imagine you run a pizza shop. You sell a large pepperoni pizza for 20 bucks. Suddenly, a customer says, "Hey, since you're already making it, can you just add extra cheese on it, some olives, and a side of wings for free? It shouldn't take you long." If you say yes just to be nice, you just lost money. In the freelance world, we call this scope creep. So why is this a massive deal right now? Well, prices are up. Everything. Rent, food, Netflix, it all costs more. If you work for free, you're actually getting poorer every single hour. Then there's the nice person tax. Most freelancers are terrified of saying no because they don't want to lose the client. They end up losing 20% of their money just by being too nice. And don't forget the stress. Writing a no email is scary. It takes an hour of staring at a blank screen just worrying about sounding mean. So here is the solution. It's called the money guard. Think of this as a translator that turns free work into paid invoices. And just like that, as I was talking with you, Google AI Studio just finished building it. Here's the 30-second facts. The input, you get a scary email from a client asking for a quick favor, basically more work for $0. The magic, you paste that email into the AI. The output, the AI detects those sneaky words like just or quickly, and it writes 2 perfect replies. You've got the good cop? I'd love to do that. It's a great idea. And you've got the bad cop. That wasn't in our original deal. It's going to cost $200 extra. The result? You don't have to feel guilty. The robot does the mean part for you, so you can actually get paid.